Welcome to Digital TV. This is lesson 5. We have seen that three ways of coloring: color by name, color by hexa, and color by RGB. So now I have tried making small codes of hexa color. Each color you can use this figure to know the color you want and used in designing. So please don't forget to subscribe. We are going to look to see about the images and setting with full height margins of the images in this lesson. So let's start without wasting our time. Hexadecimal color are summarized in these ways for this diagram. As you see, this is all code of the color. Every color is with their codes. So now as you know, we have seen in lesson 5 we are going to study about images. So now we are going to start with how to insert image in HTML. Insert image we use img tag. This img tags. When we are going to insert photo in your website, we need to use this tag img. Syntax of image tags: tag img source equal name of image URL attribute list. So we see it in practice. The image tags is empty tags, which means that it can contain only list of attributes and it has no closing tag. We can use PNG, JPG, or GIF image file based on your comfort, but make sure you specify the correct image file name in source attribute. This source attribute in this quotes image URL and set the locations. Image names is always case sensitive. Image names must have to be case sensitive. Where I have seen case sensitive is when you write word using uppercase and lowercase. Does not mean the same. If you have write the first name, the name which are up in uppercase in lowercase, does not mean the same. So this is something you can notice. The art attribute provide alternative information for any image if user for some reason cannot view it because slow connection, any error in source attribute, if user use screen reader. So now this attribute. This is the alternative that can remove the gap when the photo are not calm and displayed. So we'll see it in practice. It is plan B when photo does not displayed. So we'll see it in practice. So let's go to attribute optional attribute of the image. There's an attribute that we needed to insert in image tags, as you have seen attribute. One can style the image using the following attributes. You can set the width for photo, can set the height of photo, and can make again left, right, top, bottom, or where you want to put the photo in center accordingly. So that is optional attribute, as we have seen the attributes. Image URL. This is where images are located and the name of image. Any image can be located in one of the following locations. It is good to use the image in the same folder as the web page. This is when you are working website in your local, you have to save every file related to the web page in the same folder. Second, image in another folder. Image can be in another folder and call it by showing the location of the image and the name of image. Name of images dot extension either can be PNG, JPG, and also on. So when you are hosting a website, can save the image on the server. This is the 3 ways where image can be located. So we're going now to see the image URL. So the first one is when in our folder called the beginner array have the photo, where we save a photo that we needed in same folder with website, like that. You see the photo called n.png. So to insert it in our HTML, we have to tag image source equal quotation mark, as we see, and write the name of photo dot the extension that called png, as here you see. Then close tag. So we have to see the result. The result, as you see, there has a photo, and the photo, it is called all body. As you seen, we'll see how we will set edit and more properties. We'll see that. So now this is the first way where we use to locate a photo in same folder. Another way we're going to delete it. Another way is to put a photo in another folder. So you have your scene. I have deleted the photo. You are going to use another photo that we call it in another folder. You are going to see how to put photo. You want to insert photo in a website using while the photo are kept in other folder. Let's open the folder the photo are beginner that are keep the website, and so you have to know the photo you are going to insert the photo, where inside the photo are or image are in. We're going to put this photo, so you have to image source, as you know, source. Then you have to come here and take location and copy it and paste here. So you have to put slash and name of photo, as you know, dot png as the extension. Then after that you have to save and run. So you have you have seen it, how to locate photo in other photo to insert it in a website. This is the way. You are going to see the final way. You are going to see how to put photo, you want to insert photo in a website using while the photo are kept in other folder. Let's open the folder. The photo are beginner that are keep the website, and so you have to know the photo you are going to insert the photo, where inside the photo are or image are in. We're going to put this photo, so you have to image source, as you know, source. Then you have to come here and take location and copy it and paste here. So you have to put slash and name of photo, as you know, dot png as the extension. Then after that you have to save and run. So you have you have seen it, how to locate photo in other photo to insert it in a website. This is the way. You are going to see the final way. We're going to see another way of image source, image URL. So can example do insert photo from Instagram, another social media that you are referring. So now the example of that photo, it can be linked like this, as a link in your life, like https://www.w3schools.com or Instagram, and it in images www.w3schools/green.t, file name and the file extension. So you have to copy it, that link in where you are needed to insert this photo and paste it in image source. So as we see, image source equal the paste, and save it and see the result. So you have seen the photo where we inserted from another website server, or you can using a server. This is the third way or last way of image URL. So now we have ended lesson 4 here, as I planned to 15 minutes. So I wish you can continue to see lesson 5, where we see an images, links, and width and height. So don't forget to subscribe. Thank you for watching. See you in let's continue in lesson 5.